Hello, my name is Dr. Kate Schacherl. I'm a general dentist at Main Street Dentist in Verona, Wisconsin, just outside of Madison, Wisconsin. We are honored to be this month's StellaLife Practice of the Month. At Main Street Dentist, we are a general dental practice with an oral systemic focus, and the patient is the heart of everything that we do. We put our patients first, every patient, every day. We take the time to listen, really listen, and listening takes time. We're having conversations with our patients about how dentistry can impact so much with their lives. It can impact their health, their well-being, their overall confidence to live healthy lives, their confidence to smile. We take the time to have customized treatment plans personalized to the patient. So whether it's a 3-year-old, a 30-year-old, or that 3-year-old's great-grandparent, we want to make sure that we take the time to get to know our patients, find out their priorities, and collaborate with their other healthcare providers to provide the best overall care for our patients. Part of that process is choosing to use the best, safest, non-toxic products available. StellaLife is one of those products. So whether it's periodontal treatments like guided biofilm therapy or pinhole surgery to address gum recession, we choose StellaLife. Whether it's a functional frenuloplasty for an adult or a child, we choose to use StellaLife. And for our patients undergoing cancer treatments, we choose StellaLife. Why? It's simply the best. In addition to being safe and non-toxic, it also reduces the need to use narcotics and antibiotics. That's important to us, and that's very important to our patients. So whether it is a 5-year-old undergoing a functional frenuloplasty or a 70-year-old undergoing periodontal treatment, we choose to use the best, safest, non-toxic product available, and that product is StellaLife. It's simply the best.